Okay, for the variable pitch spring, we're going to start out the same way as we did the simple spring. Sketch on the front plane, circle with a diameter of 0.8 as shown. And we're going to create our helix again by going up to our curves and go to helix and spiral. And this time, we're going to go to variable pitch. In the previous video, we were using constant pitch, like this. This time we're going to use variable, which is right here. We have a whole bunch of parameters to type in here, and I'm going to paste that in the screen so you can copy that. So you can see what that table looks like here with the 6 different lines. It's also located in your book on the bottom of page 269. Okay, here is our helix spiral. That's variable pitch. You can see the ends. For our profile, just like the previous spring, we're going to do a profile sketch on the right plane. I'm going to expand this plane a little bit here. So this one's different than just our typical circle, but we're going to start with a circle with a diameter of 0.1. And then we are going to do a center rectangle. And we're going to make sure it's got a coincident on that circle right there. And we're doing a width of 0.055. And we're going to do a little bit of trimming. Trim away the sides here. And the top and bottom of the rectangle. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to add a point right at the midpoint of that top of the arc. And we are going to pierce, like we did before, sorry about that, where we are taking this pierce point, holding Control, clicking the line, and going to pierce. Okay, now we're going to sweep that profile. You notice too that this is different than the previous ones we did. We had a circle and we used a pierce point in the center of that circle and pierced the helix spiral here. But in this case, we're piercing it at this location as shown. Our profile is here. Path is here. So you can see how much the variable pitch is different than the previous spring. Not only the profile, but you could see the pitch changes on the ends. I'm going to hide the helix, and then we're going to do some finishing touches on this in just a second. Okay, we're going to slice the ends so they're flat on these. So you're going to do this twice. On this face here, you're going to do a sketch and a cut, and the same thing on the other side. This face, the same thing. So I'm just going to show you on one. Sketch on this surface. I'm going to do a line that just goes all the way down. It's vertical. I'm going to anchor this. And I'm going to cut that. And you can see in the cut extrude, see the arrows going in this direction. We want to flip to the other side. And we want to go through all. It'll preview that slice plane right there. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. I'm just going to do this real quick. And there you have your finished variable pitch spring. To learn more about our program, check us out at fvcc.edu, and for more tips and tricks, subscribe to this channel.